Anti-Discrimination Day is observed every year by the United Nations and United Nations Program on HIV and AIDS on 1 March. The day aims to celebrate everyone's right to feel and productive life with dignity and equality before the law. The day is observed to promote a peaceful, inclusive and compensation society where no one is subjected discrimination of any manner.
We are celebrating Zero Discrimination Day. We live in the world where goddesses are worshipped and women get down, harassed, abused, raped and kidnapped every single day. Keeping a check on a number of women-related cases, the government of India provides crucial right to the Indian women. Human rights are women's rights and women's rights are the human's right. Once and for all, Hillary Clinton. Unfortunately, many of the women do not know their rights. On the grounds of gender equality, here are 12 rights on Indian women hold in India. Women have the right to equal pay. This is the number 1 right. According to the provision listed under the Equal Remuneration Act, one cannot be discriminated on the basis of sex when it comes to salary, pay or wages. Working women have the right to draw an equal salary as compared to men.
Also right to again a domestic one. Section 498 of Indian Constitution. Section 498 of Indian Constitution look at the protect wife women living in our partners and women living in our household, just like our mothers and our sisters of domestic violence, including a verbal, economic, emotional and sexually harmed by our husband, men, living in our partners and relatives.
Women have right not be arrested at night unless there is a case on the order of the first class magistrate. A woman cannot be arrested after sunset and before sunrise. The law also states the police cannot interrogate a woman at her residence. Only the presence of women constable and family members or friends.
Women have right to against being stopped. Section 354D of the IPC make way for a legal action to be taken against an offender if he or she followed a woman tired to contact her to force personal interactions repeatedly, dispute a clear indirect indications of disinterested or monitor to be used a woman of the internet or email and any other form of electronic communication.
Women have right to dignity and decency. In an event that is accused in a woman and medical examination produced on her must be performed by in the presence of another woman. This has been ensured by Crime Amendment Act 2005 subsection 4 section 46 and also thought guideline by the National Human Rights Commission in 1997. Thank you and have a nice day.
Women have a right to zero FIR. An FIR that can be filed at any police station irrespective of the location where the incident occurred on a specific jurisdiction it comes under. The zero FIR can later be moved to the police station in whose jurisdiction the case falls under. This ruling was passed by the Supreme Court to save the victim time and prevent an offender from getting away scot-free. At last, I would say that nobody is born to hate. They have been taught to hate all their life. So, if they can learn to hate, then on this Zero Discrimination Day, let's teach them to love.
छू ले हर ऊंचाई तू, किसने तुझको रोका है? बात कल कुछ और थी। फिर से आज मौका है, पर खोल के हो आजाद, डरना इस आसमान से। कमर कस ले, आज ही लड़ना है अभी जहान से। ये बंदिशें, ये बेड़ियां तुझे ना रोक पाएंगी, इरादों को शमशीर कर ये खुद ही टूट जाएंगे। सर झुके थे सर झुकेंगे फिर से तेरे सामने, थी मजाल कब किसी की तुझे झुका दे अपनी शान में। तूने तो इतिहास रचा है अपने काम से, बनी है बनती रहेंगी गाथाएं तेरे नाम। तू किसी से कम नहीं है, आज बस ये जान ले, बहती धरा को मोड़ दे, अब अपनी ताकत को पहचान ले। तेरी शक्ति है, प्रचंड तेरी काया है, शिकस्त होके चित पड़े जिसने भी आजमाया है। चीर के फलक को तूने ध्वज ऊंचा लहराया है, सर उठा के देख ले वो वक्त फिर से आया है, सर उठा के देख ले वो वक्त फिर से आया है। धन्यवाद।